Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa Sweet here. Just want to show you I bought a plein air kit. It's called Fuumuui. I think that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. And I just wanted to unbox it in front of you guys so you can see what is inside this travel foldable watercolor palette. Most of you know I am not a watercolor artist. I am a oil and acrylic mixed media artist, but I am going to Italy this year to take a art retreat. So I decided to purchase a small kit which is light and portable. And here I am showing you as I unbox it the little things that are inside. There was a bull clip, a magnet, and an adjustment tool for your plein air. And now I'm opening a little pouch that I could use if I decide to house my plein air kit. So here it is. I'm just going to show you that it comes in a very, very small and compact kit. It's really nice because it's got already the hole here if I wanted to put this on a tripod. So it's kind of set up already for tripod use if I wanted to. But I'm not going to bring a tripod with me to Italy. So I would like this to just probably either I would hold on to it or I would sit with it on my lap. It came with a little magnet here, which is kind of nice because it could just keep my paper in place. Now this is a beautiful brush and I was so excited to open it. So as you can see, it has its brand name engraved on the brush and it comes with two sizes. This one is a round 0, I believe, and then it comes with a detail brush, which is a smaller fine tip brush. I'm super excited to use that. Now, if you notice here, it comes with a graphite tip here. So you can actually have a light sketch, to give yourself an idea of where placements are or on your landscape. And I like that fact that so it eliminates me bringing another tool or another pencil because it already has it built in. It's got two sponges at the top there to damp out excess water. Then you open it up and here is a really nice mixing area and another mixing area on that side. I can put my thumb on the left because I ordered the right hand plein air kit. It comes with this water container, but I'm gonna bring an extra water container which is collapsible. So I have at least 2 water containers when I'm out on the field. It's got an extended easel here which could go really high up, and I think I would like to see how I could set things up. I just have a little postcard here. Yeah, and I'm just trying to visualize how things would turn out. I have this bowl clip here which would keep things steady. depending on the windy day. And then you have a magnet, which is great, so it could support the page without blowing away and keeping it steady. And with my postcard, which is a 5x7 size, I just wanted to see if it could go on a portrait style to paint. Again, this can work out nicely. When I recorded this video, I still didn't have a sketch pad to work with, so I couldn't show it in this video. Here I am measuring it with my ruler, and it could go up to 8 inches high, and it could really support something larger if I wanted to. I wanted to attach the strap here, and so just wanted to put it in. I may use it, I may not, I don't know yet. So actually this month and next month, I'm gonna be using this kit around the house and around town when I go plein air. I wanna try and see how this works out so that when I'm at my art retreat, I can truly enjoy it. I'm putting everything back into the case, just trying to understand how I could pack this, how I could transport this. Do I really need this pouch? We don't know. So it's all about just getting the hang of it, excited to use it, and thank you for joining me as I show my new plein air kit to you. Watch me give it a try this month and join me as I start getting to know my new plein air kit and taking you on the journey. Sweet out. Bye for now.